Hi guys, good day ngayon na kasi nabitin kami ng isang araw. Nagluto na naman ako guys. Dito guys, so sarap nito guys. Iyan muna natin guys. Iwain na natin guys. Sarap. Mainit ba? Kumukulo pa guys, so kumukulo pa guys. So guys, kumukulo pa guys, grabe guys. Ang sarap guys, wow. Wow. Oh. Wow, balat pa lang guys, wow. Tignan natin guys, sarap guys. Yeah. Wow. Ang balat guys, wow, sarap. Mapapawom na naman tayo nito guys. Tapos ganyan rin. Sarap guys nito guys. Thank you guys sa panonood guys. Nandito ubusin natin ang jiwa guys. At nandito guys, tikman ko nga guys. Wow, sarap. Crunchy. Tumutulo pa yung mantika niya guys, grabe. Sarap.